as the city of Milwaukee ramps up to its efforts to curb reckless driving, it's on the look for a leader to tackle this high-profile public safety crisis.
The I-Team's Sean Gallagher spoke to Mayor Cavalier Johnson about what he's looking for in the city's new Vision Zero director.
Every year in the city of Milwaukee, dozens of people are killed in traffic crashes. The city has a goal to get that number down to zero. To do that, they're looking for a leader to get them there.
Deadly and serious crashes are a daily occurrence in Milwaukee.
We've got a huge issue with reckless driving that we've been working to address.
Mayor Cavalier Johnson hopes a Vision Zero director can help make a real impact on these devastating numbers. Countywide data for the last 5 years shows a staggering jump in the number of motor vehicle deaths since the start of the pandemic, eclipsing 100 killed twice in 2020 and 2022. Mayor Johnson hopes this new leader will be progressive in their approach towards achieving zero deaths, someone who will view streets in a more people-centric manner.
Somebody who understands that pedestrians, bicyclists, scooter riders, stroller pushers, all those folks deserve to have the same sort of access to roadway usage.
I think the intention here is to have a full-time person focusing on the needs of the community, which is Vision Zero.
The Vision Zero director will interact heavily with people like the Department of Public Works Commissioner Gerald Kruschke and almost every other governmental agency in Milwaukee.
It's going to help all the departments within city government work as one to the ultimate goal of having zero fatalities within the public right-of-way. So to have a designated person and to have those relationships and that connection instead of just DPW doing that is super exciting.
But Kruschke says it won't be an overnight fix.
How integral will that director be towards achieving that goal?
I think that is the sole point of this position, is to collaborate with all of our groups to get to that goal of zero. So this is going to be a key component. This position will to actually attain that zero fatalities within the city.
When the position was first established, the suggested salary was just under $54,000. Multiple city leaders suggested this wasn't enough to attract a quality candidate to make true change on Milwaukee's streets. So the salary was upped to over $93,000.
You'll have somebody who is dedicated in that position pushing those initiatives forward to make the streets safer for everybody.
While the focus of the Vision Zero director will be here in the city of Milwaukee, both the mayor and DPW tell me they expect that this person will interact with officials at a state level to ensure that people at DOT understand the severity of the issues here in the city. Reporting for the I-Team, I'm Sean Gallagher.
And that new director position is not yet posted, but the city tells us it will be soon.
Well, a big part of Project Drive Safer is hearing from you, TMJ4 viewers. To share your ideas and stories you can head over to projectdrivesafer.com. You can also send us a message.